So I used to sit in my cubicle every morning at 8 a.m. watching the clock, wondering if this was really going to be my life for the next 40 years. Sound familiar? Well, yesterday I made $128 from just one of my YouTube channels that barely has 600 subscribers, while my old coworkers were still stuck in traffic, heading to jobs that they hate. My name's David Mills, and over the past 5 years, I've generated over $550,000 with affiliate marketing using nothing but free traffic. I'm not talking about theory here. I'm showing you exactly what I do because everything I teach you, I've done myself and can prove it. The good news, you don't need a massive following, you don't need to spend money on ads, and you definitely don't need some complicated system to start making real money with affiliate marketing. Here's what happened to me 5 years ago that changed everything. I was working at this soul-crushing corporate job, and I remember sitting in a meeting that could have been an email, thinking about how I was trading my life for a paycheck. That night, I went home and I started researching ways to make money online, right? But here's where most people mess up. They try to learn everything at once. They buy course after course, join program after program, and end up more confused than when they started. I almost quit too, until I discovered what I call the simple commission formula. This formula is so basic, it's almost embarrassing how well it works. You find a product that solves a real problem, and then you create simple content showing people how that product helps them, and you get paid every time someone buys through your link. That's it. Now let me show you exactly how this works with what happened just yesterday on my smallest YouTube channel of only 600 subscribers. A new digital affiliate product launched yesterday morning. It was a training course about online marketing. Instead of ignoring it or waiting to see what other people would do, I took immediate action. I put together a video review of this digital product, but here's the key. I didn't just talk about the product. I created a bonus pack for anyone who buys the product through my affiliate link. These were valuable training materials that complemented the main product perfectly. I spent about 2 hours creating a real high-value review video that builds trust with my audience and new people watching. I showed exactly what was inside the product, who it was for, and why someone would want it. Then I explained my bonuses, how they made the deal even better. I published the video on my smallest YouTube channel. Again, only 600 subscribers, and sent one email to my email list. Now, my list isn't huge, just around 2,500 people. That's it. No fancy marketing campaigns, no paid ads, no complicated funnels. The result? Boom, I made 16 sales and $128. Now, $128 probably won't let you quit your job tomorrow. But here's what's really important. That's already more than 95% of people trying to do affiliate marketing ever even accomplish. But wait, here's where it gets absolutely crazy. The video didn't even get 100 views in the first 24 hours after publishing, which is just nuts. Talk about a high EPC, that's estimated earnings per click. Yesterday, I made $5.57 for every single person that clicked on my affiliate link in this video on a low ticket item. I also had a 71% conversion rate. These kind of numbers are unheard of in any industry. And get this, I was ranked number 1 on the leaderboard for the entire first day of launch. Today, I'm currently sitting at number 2. That means out of dozens of affiliates promoting the same product, my simple video on my tiny channel outperformed almost everyone. Think about that for a second. Most people get into affiliate marketing, never make their first dollar. They get overwhelmed by all the noise, all the shiny objects, all the complicated strategies that so-called gurus are selling. But I made over $100 with a simple video on my smallest channel that barely got any views. And here's the thing that gets me excited. If I had put this same video on my main channel with 20,000 subscribers, I can estimate it would have done probably $1,000 or more. The same exact video, same exact strategy, just a bigger audience. But the beautiful part is that you don't need 20,000 subscribers to start. You don't even need 600 subscribers. You can start making money with your very first video if you do it right. The reason this works so well is because these are low-ticket digital training products. products, people will purchase without even thinking about it if it seems interesting to them. We're not talking about $2,000 courses or expensive software. These products usually cost between $17 and $97, which means people can make impulse buying decisions. Quick break. If you're serious about making this work, you need to check out my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator School community. You get to work directly with me, jump on live calls, and get access to in-depth courses and training that goes way deeper than what I can cover in a single video. Check it out in the description below. Here's why video sells better than any other method. When people read a sales page, they're skeptical. When they see a written review, they wonder if it's fake. But when they watch you on video, actually showing the product, explaining how it works, and demonstrating the value that it brings, that builds real trust. People buy from people that they trust, and video is the fastest way to build that trust because they can see your face, hear your voice, and get a sense of who you really are. You're not hiding behind text or fancy graphics or AI voiceovers. You're being real with them. The process I used yesterday is actually incredibly simple. First, I looked for new product launches on platforms like Warrior Plus and JVZoo. These platforms show you exactly when products are launching and what commissions you can earn. When I found this product, I immediately signed up as an affiliate and got access to the sales materials. I studied the product, understood what it offered, and figured out who would benefit the most from it. Then I created my bonus pack. This is where most people get this wrong. They either don't offer bonuses at all, or they offer bonuses that don't make any sense and don't go with the offer. My bonuses directly complemented the main product and made the overall package more valuable. Next, I created my review video. I showed my screen, I walked through the product features, explained who it was for, and demonstrated real value. I wasn't just trying to sell, I was genuinely helping people understand if this product was right for them. The key is being honest in your reviews. If something isn't great, I say so. If it's perfect for beginners but not for advanced users, I explain that too. This honesty actually makes people trust me more. After publishing the video, I sent one simple email to my list. The subject line was "New training just launched. My honest review." In the email, I mentioned that I'd reviewed the product, shared my thoughts, and created some bonuses for anyone interested. But here's the key part that most marketers get wrong. The only call to action in my email was to go check out my review video. I didn't send people directly to my affiliate link. I only want to get people to watch my video. This is another thing that I do that most marketers don't. It's truly powerful this way, and no one is doing it quite like this. Think about it. When someone gets an email with a direct affiliate link, their guards go up immediately. They know that you're trying to sell them something. But when you send them to your video first, they get value, they learn something, and they make their own decision about whether the product is right for them. That's it. No complicated sequence, no high-pressure sales tactics, no fake scarcity, just honest value and a simple recommendation. The results speak for themselves. 16 sales, $128 in commissions, and several new subscribers who found value in my review. But more importantly, I helped 16 people find a solution to their problem. Here's what I want you to understand. Anyone can do this if they put their mind to it, focus, and cut out all the shiny objects and noise. The internet is full of people trying to complicate affiliate marketing, but it really just comes down to finding good products and creating helpful content about them. The biggest mistake I see people make is they overthink everything. They spend months planning the perfect strategy instead of just starting. They worry about what camera to buy instead of using their phone. They stress about having the perfect website instead of just creating helpful content. Start where you are with what you have. Your first video doesn't have to be perfect. Your first sale doesn't have to be huge, but you have to start somewhere and you have to start today. Focus on quality over quantity, value over volume, and helping people over just selling to people. The question isn't whether this works. I just proved to you that it works. The question is whether you're ready to stop making excuses and start taking action. If you want to see exactly how I made $12,000 from just 2 videos with no website required, check out my last video where I break down the entire process step by step. The link's right here on your screen, and I'll also put it in the description, and I'll see you in that video. If you're ready to stop messing around and learn from a pro, come join my community. First link in the description below.